There's a big culinary week in San Diego coming up at the end of January, and we had never seen a three-course style gelato menu before with a appetizer, main course, and dessert. So at On's Dry Cleaning, we're going to do what we're calling Gelato Week, January 20th through 27th, where we'll be serving a appetizer sorbet of beet and chocolate ganache with a little bit of espresso and sunflower seeds, a main course of thyme-infused gelato, and then a third course dessert of a Moscato reduction and a triple citrus jam by our favorite jam producer, Jackie's Jam. Come check out the first ever Gelato Week at On's Dry Cleaning, January 20th through 27th.